Hello, we are in day 13 of the 14, and today I want to reflect a bit. You know already, I'm Johanna Donna Kleppel from the Netherlands. I have dedicated the last 5 years to making a video series that is called Master Your Energy. It's based upon information that originally came from Drunvalo Melchizedek. He has given his approval. He is very happy with what I have done. So it's fully supported, let's say. And with this series, you can learn on your own, at home, when you want, how to increase to have your energy fields in order, how to increase the speeds, and how increase, and the higher the speeds, the higher your frequency, the higher your consciousness, and the more different you perceive the world. And at the end, and even with what I explained to you in the beginning, with this universal perspective, you'll understand we are source in action. So nobody is bad. We all have different roles. That is something else. And we can start laughing at it. We can start hugging each other. We can start forgiving each other. Because if I want to be the good one, I need the bad one. And the bad one needs a good one, etc. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who is doing what. And if I now want to be a good one, you can be sure that I was a bad one also. We all do all the roles because we want to know the topics from A to Z. Yeah. So all the work I have done with the video series is like the A of the ABC of spirituality, but without the A, you can't do anything. So the A is very important, essential. It's not the end, it's the first step. And then I give you the next step, and the next step, and the next step. We have still many steps to go, and tomorrow I will explain to you what steps we are going to do after the video series, because it's just the beginning, really. And I hope you give yourself this present, because you will be in a very safe, secure environment. You will be guided. You will be really supported. If you need help, you can use a form on my website and send it to me, and I will be there for you. So don't worry. And also you can choose to do a live workshop one day. It's also possible. There are so many possibilities. If you want to organize something in your neighborhood, okay, write to me, call me, and we arrange something. Okay, now the last week of July, we will be going and have a whole week workshop in the middle of France. And I will give all the tools I can share. So that is, in 6 days, you can do so much. Halfway of September, the plan is to go to Egypt. So also that is an option. I don't know yet whether it will be in Dutch or in English. We'll see. Spanish, well, I brought already Spanish groups to Israel, to Egypt. So let's see what happens. I go with the flow. Yes, tomorrow, what comes after all this? Goodbye.